Step into Agilent's dynamic Manesar office, where innovation thrives, collaboration drives progress, and sustainability shapes our everyday practices. At the heart of this ecosystem is the India Solution Center, a facility designed to meet India's unique scientific needs. It serves as a hub for delivering customer-focused solutions that align with national priorities and contribute to global scientific progress. Spanning 12,500 square feet, the India Solution Center is a dedicated space within our Platinum LEED certified office designed to accelerate scientific innovation in India. Here, we develop and deliver end-to-end workflows that are both technically advanced and aligned with India's evolving scientific landscape. At Agilent, we are committed to bringing great science to life, empowering our customers to push the boundaries of discovery. Equipped with advanced technologies, the India Solution Center delivers differentiated solutions through specialized workflows tailored for diverse, high-impact scientific domains. In pharma and biopharma, we support a broad range of therapeutic areas, including small molecule pharmaceuticals, peptide and oligonucleotide therapeutics, and cell and gene therapy. In clinical diagnostics, we provide researchers and healthcare professionals with reliable tools that advance diagnostics and improve patient outcomes. In applied markets, we enable the detection and measurement of emerging contaminants such as PFAS in food and environmental samples, addressing critical public health and safety concerns. These workflows are practical, scalable, and ready for real-world application, helping our customers stay ahead in a rapidly evolving landscape. The center offers a comprehensive suite of services that support customers at every stage, from discovery to delivery. Our customer-centric approach ensures every solution is grounded in real-world challenges and delivers measurable value. We also collaborate with academic and industry partners to identify emerging needs and co-develop solutions that are both innovative and impactful. Our integrated approach, combining hardware, software, and services, enhances lab efficiency, supports automation, and promotes sustainable practices. Agilent's lab informatics solutions further accelerate digital transformation by optimizing operations, improving efficiency, and reducing downtime. Each solution is rigorously tested and validated to ensure it delivers tangible benefits, whether it's improving throughput, reducing turnaround time, or enabling smarter data-driven decision-making. The Helix Lab is our dedicated space for genomics innovation, continuing Agilent's legacy in this critical field. It offers hands-on training and demonstrations in advanced technologies such as automation of library prep for next-generation sequencing, NGS, DNA microarrays, nucleic acid quality control. These tools are essential for researchers in life sciences, molecular pathology, diagnostics, and clinical research. By providing access to cutting-edge instruments and expert guidance, the Helix Lab empowers scientists across India to accelerate discovery and improve data quality. Our Cell Analysis Lab is a hub for innovation in cell biology and immunotherapy. It features 3 core technology platforms: Agilent Biotech plate readers, cell imaging systems, confocal microscopy. These tools support a wide range of applications, from drug discovery and preclinical toxicology to real-time live cell analysis and CAR-T cell therapy development. The lab also serves as a training ground for students and professionals, helping them explore novel drug targets and pioneer therapies for genetic disorders. With live cells and real-time measurements, researchers can uncover unique biological insights and develop the next generation of immunotherapies. The India Solution Center represents a bold step forward in advancing science and innovation in India. By bringing together cutting-edge technology, deep expertise, and a spirit of collaboration, we are creating a launchpad for the discoveries of tomorrow. By bringing great science to life, we are driving discoveries that shape a healthier, more sustainable world.